Hi, I'm Simon Lee, Master Builder here at Estha AI. Today we're building a new Estha bot. Are you having trouble saving money and wished you had a 24/7 advisor to guide you in developing a savings plan and provide explanations to certain financial concepts? No worries, this video will show you how to build a savings coach bot that will do just that. Let's start by logging into Estha AI. You can log in using your email address and password or your Google account. When you are in the application dashboard, click on the plus sign to create a new app or bot. Provide a bot description to describe what this bot is about or used for, followed by a bot greeting for the person using the bot along with simple instructions on how to use it. Lastly, attach an image. You can use other AIs like ChatGPT to help you create a transparent PNG icon. Please note that we can set the LLM to advanced mode for enhanced reasoning, deeper contextual understanding, and richer responses, while standard mode is for general text generation, answering queries and summarizing content. Now we need to click and drag the if-then meta node and all the relevant action nodes onto the canvas. The action nodes required should be decided during the design phase, as each node serves a different purpose. Next, we need to connect all the nodes by clicking and dragging a line from one blue dot to the next. This step is important because it allows us to set up the if-then meta node. Each action node is triggered by specific trigger words, which you can display in the bot greeting as mentioned earlier. The trigger words or phrases are matched with the customization statements in the respective action nodes for the appropriate responses from the bot. Lastly, the if-then conditions must be mutually exclusive but collectively exhaustive. This means that each action node is independent, but together they should cover as many dimensions of the bot's main concept as possible. These are samples of the condition statements in the if-then node and what nodes they trigger when the user inputs certain words or phrases. Next, you need to have a knowledge document from which the bot will draw relevant information. It can be a process document from your company, or you can compile publicly available information and process it into a Word, PDF, or even an Excel document. Now I will show how I set up the major nodes for this bot. For all the nodes except the last open question node, you need to attach the knowledge document. Keep the accuracy at 80%. This means the bot will refer to the document 80% of the time and 20% can come from the internet. The following are screenshots of the customization and persona statements of the action nodes. A gentle reminder, you can rewind and stop the video at any point to see the details. As there are 9 nodes for this savings coach bot, you can download this action node matrix to see the details for each node. You can send me an email for the link. If you are unsure of how to create a customization statement or persona statement, you can also refer to the building guide help bot in Estha AI. You don't need to build out the entire bot before saving. You can connect nodes one by one and fill up the if-then nodes step by step. As long as the compulsory fields in each node have something filled in, you can save your work along the way. Compulsory fields are marked by an asterisk. Once you have completed all the compulsory sections of every node in the schema, you should save your work and do a preview to test it. When testing is complete and successful, you can publish the bot to generate a live link. The link can be copied and pasted into WhatsApp, email, or other platforms for public use. You can also share your bot schema with other registered Estha AI users. Thank you for your kind attention. If you have any questions, comments, or need resources to build your bot, you can reach me at my email address. See you in my next video.